Hello everyone. I hope you all are good. Today I am going to teach you English 2 chapter 9, which is describing words or adjectives. Describing words are also known as adjectives. So, in this video we will learn that what are describing words or adjectives. But before that, you must know what are naming words or nouns. In the video of naming words, we have already learned that naming words or nouns are names of persons, places, animals or things. So now that we are aware of nouns, adjectives we will easier to understand. What are adjective or describing words? We all are knowing that adjectives describes nouns. In other words, we can say that describing words or adjectives tell us more about nouns, or describing words or adjectives tell us about a naming word, what color, what size, which shape, how many, what nature, what looks a thing or person. For example, fat cat, tall man, pink dress, and two mangoes. In this example, you can see the word fat describes the noun cat. The word tall describes the noun man. The word pink describes the noun dress. And the word two describes the noun mangoes. We can say that adjectives are words which describe about the quality, size, color, shape and number of a noun. Or describing words also tell about how someone or something looks, smells, sounds, tastes and feels. These all you can understand with the help of some examples. Pretty girl. The word pretty describes the looks of the noun girl. Fragrant rose. The word fragrant describes the smell of the noun rose. Thundering clouds. The word thundering describes the sound of the noun clouds. So, these are describing words or adjectives. I hope you all have understood this chapter nicely. It's time to complete book exercise. So, let's start. Exercise first. Look at the pictures and write how many in the box. One has been done for you. You have to count the pictures and write the correct number in the box. First one already done. Second, 2 butterflies. Third, 1 flower. Fourth, 4 trees. And fifth, 3 apples. Second exercise. Look at the pictures and write what color each is in the box. One has been done for you. Here you have to write the color of these given pictures. Yellow bananas, red apple, green guava, brown dog, and black cat. Next exercise, C. Underline the describing words in the given sentences. One has been done for you. Here you can see in this exercise you have to underline the describing words. In each sentence, some describing words are given that you have to underline. First, Pratap is a strong man. Here, strong is describing word. Second, she is wearing a green sari. In this sentence, green is describing word. Third, Mr. Rama Rao is a rich man. Here, the word rich is describing word. Next, the clothes are wet. Here, the word wet is describing word. Next, she has curly hair. The word curly is describing word. Next picture, the clown is funny. The word funny is describing word. Next exercise, D. Look at the pictures and fill in the blanks with describing words. Choose from the words given in the box. One has been done for you. In this exercise, one help box is given. With the help of this box, you have to complete this exercise. A small boy. A strong horse. A tall tree. A ripe mango. A beautiful flower. A round table. An empty glass. And last, a clean shirt. Now let's move towards copy work. Take your scale and draw 2 lines margin. After that, on left side you have to write the date and right side you have to write class work. After that, leave one line and then you have to write the definition of describing words. The words which describe nouns are called describing words or adjectives. Example, good, fat, short, etc. Now come on next page. Write A. Write the describing word for the following nouns. Write 1 and then write green parrot. Underline the word green. After that, 2 short girl. Underline the word short. Then third number, hot milk. Underline the word hot. Fourth one, fat cat. Underline the word fat. Fifth, lovely mother. Underline the word lovely. Sixth, beautiful flowers. Underline the word beautiful. Seventh, clean clothes. Underline the word clean. Eighth, blunt knife. Underline the word blunt. And after that, ninth, sharp pencil. And then 10th, red apple. Now come on next page. Write B. Underline the describing words. Put number 1 and write, it is a beautiful dress. Underline the word beautiful. Number 2, you are a smart boy. Underline the word smart. Third number, the child is hungry. Underline the word hungry. Fourth, they are shouting loudly. Underline the word loudly. Fifth number, I have a red balloon. Underline the word red. This is your copy work. You have to complete it. You have to write neat and clean. Take one finger gapping and write it properly. And at last, you have to draw 2 lines. I hope you all have understood. Thank you.